Using Amazon gift cards is a straightforward process that allows you to shop for a wide range of products on Amazon. Follow these steps to redeem and use your gift card effectively. Step 1. Find your gift card code. Locate the code on your physical gift card or in the email if it is a digital card. This code is usually a series of letters and numbers that you will need to enter to redeem the card. Step 2. Sign into your Amazon account. Go to the Amazon website or open the Amazon app. If you already have an account, sign in using your email and password. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. Step 3. Redeem your gift card. Navigate to the Accounts and Lists menu, then select your account. Look for the gift card option and click on Redeem a gift card. Enter the gift card code in the provided fields and click Apply to your balance. Step 4. Shop for products. Browse the Amazon website or app to find products you want to purchase. Add your desired items to your cart. When you are ready to check out, proceed to your cart. Step 5. Complete your purchase. During the checkout process, you will see your gift card balance applied to your order. If your order total exceeds the gift card balance, you will need to provide an additional payment method for the remaining amount. Review your order and confirm the purchase. Now you are ready to enjoy your shopping experience with your Amazon gift card.